Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Honda CR-V. It's not as straightforward as you may think. Over here, the controls on the right hand side, you've got telephone, map, menu and info. Now if you press map, you can see where you're going and the road you're on and so on, but normally you'd be looking for something that says nav. But if you press menu, then you get address, address book, previous destinations, place name, place category, or go home. If I click on address, we want postcode is the easiest, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR 5 4 JS. And even though you've just typed it in, you've just got to click on it, set as destination, it's audio's off at the moment.
In 3/4 of a mile, left turn.
There you go. That's how you set the sat nav.